Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 freezing on startup or booting. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Open Power Options. Click Choose what the power button does. Click Change settings that are currently available. Uncheck Turn on Fast Startup. Second method is type Regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H-key local machine. Click and expand System. Click and expand Current Control Set. Click and expand Services. Click Apex SVC. Open Start, change value data to 4. Restart system. Third method is click Start, Settings. Click Recovery. Click Restart Now. Click Troubleshoot. Click Advanced Options. Click Startup Repair. Fourth method is click Start, Settings. Click Recovery. Click Restart Now. Click Troubleshoot, reset this PC. Click Keep My Files. Click Cloud Download. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.